So now today we'll discuss on the criteria of congruency. So as you see on the screen, we have to discuss the four criteria, that is SSS, number 2 SAS, number 3 AAS, and number 4 RHS. Now let us see what is SSS. Now suppose this is there are two triangles. Okay, name it as ABC and this triangle as PQR. Now, what is the first criteria given? SSS, that means side, side, side. Now, if suppose AB is equal to PQ and AC is equal to PR, and if BC is equal to QR. Okay, so in this case we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to, I hope you remember the congruency sign, triangle PQR. In which criteria we can say? Side, side, side. As because you see in both the triangles all the sides are equal to each other. These are the corresponding sides. That is, this side is equals to this side equals to this side, and this side is equals to this side. So if you see that the triangles are in the triangles all the sides are equal, then you can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other in this criteria, with this criteria. Okay, now let's move on to the second one, second criteria. Fine. Now in second criteria again we have two triangles. Suppose again we have two triangles, name it as ABC and another one as PQR. PQR. Now what is the second criteria? Side, angle, side. Now suppose if this side is equal, if these two sides are equal, okay, the side and what is there? Side, angle, side. So suppose these two sides are equal, this angle should be equal and this side should be equal. If it is like this, suppose if this side, this angle and this side is equal, then we can say that these two triangles are equal to each other with the criteria side, angle, side. See, side, angle, side should be in the consecutive form. Fine. Side, then angle, then side. And suppose if this side is equal and if this angle is equal, suppose if this angle is equal, then this side we should be equal to each other. Fine, because it has to be in the consecutive form. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Okay, so it should not be like this, that suppose side, angle and this side is equal. Side, angle, side. No, it won't be like this. So it has to be in the consecutive form. Side, angle, then side. Or suppose it could be like this also. Side, angle, side. Side, this side and this side is equal. This angle should be equal, and this side should be equal. In this way we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other with the criteria side, this two side, this side and this side is equal, this angle is equal, and this side is equal. Then only we can say that these two triangles are equal with this criteria, side, angle, side. Okay, I'm repeatedly saying that it should be in the consecutive form, side, angle, side, or side, angle, side, or side, angle, side, in this way. Fine. So let me do it again. Suppose this is a triangle. Suppose, let me drop it. I'm taking this side and this side is equal. Suppose AB is equals to QR. Okay, and this angle is equal, that is angle C is equals to angle R, and AC is equals to PR, and AC is equals to PR. Fine. So this is angle, this is side, this is angle, and this is side. So see, side, angle, side. These are all in the consecutive form. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. In the consecutive form. Okay. Then we can write that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR in what criteria? Side, angle, side, isn't it? Side, angle, side. So this is how we can prove any two triangles with this criteria if it is fulfilling in this way. Okay, now let's move on to question criteria 3. what is criteria 3? I'm keeping this triangle. Okay, now let me frame it properly. Okay, now the third criteria is angle side. That is, if this angle and this angle is equal, if this angle is equal, and this side is equal. Suppose, again see consecutive form. Okay, angle side. Again you see this angle is equal, this angle equal, and this side is equal. So angle side. Or how, there is another formation is there, angle side. You can say this also, angle this angle is equal to each other, this angle is equal to each other, and this side is equal to each other. We can say this also. Okay, so let me write it for you. That is, angle B is equals to angle Q, and if angle A is equals to angle P, and AC is equals to angle PR. So you see, this is angle, and this is side. So angle side, and it should be in the consecutive order. 1 2 3, not like this 1 2 3. Angle side, no, it cannot be. Oh, this can be also be done. This side can be also be equal. That is angle side. In this way also we can see it. Angle and side. Angle and side. Fine, but it cannot be like this. Angle and this side should be equal. So it cannot be done. Okay, so because it is not in the consecutive form. Okay, so it has to be in the consecutive order. So we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. What is the criteria? You always have to write the criteria now. Angle side. See, angle side. Okay, so let's move on to criteria 4. Now in criteria 4 we have RHS. When you see RHS is always possible in right angle triangle, because R means right angle, H means hypotenuse, and side means side. So right angle means 90 degree. So in right angle triangle, if you see that the angle shares PQR. Now in right angle triangle, B is equals to angle Q. Why? Because it is 90 degrees. So it is a right angle triangle. Fine, it is at a right angle triangle. Now R is for right angle triangle and H for hypotenuse. Now always remember, opposite to 90 degree, the side which is opposite to 90 degree is termed as hypotenuse. Okay, and suppose if these two sides are also equal to each other, suppose, okay, so then we can write that AC is equals to PR. So this is H. Okay, because opposite to 90 degree, the side which is opposite to 90 degree is termed as hypotenuse. So what is the first criteria? That the two triangles should be 90 degree. That is, angle B is equals to angle Q, 90 degree. It is fulfilling R. And if H is also equal, that is the side opposite to the 90 degree, if these two sides are also equal to each other, and if any side, suppose this side or this side is equal. Okay, right angle, hypotenuse, or any side. Suppose this side is equal. So AB is equals to PQ. AB is equals to PQ. That is, this is the side. So RHS. So what are the three criteria that we have to see? 90 degree has to be there, hypotenuse should be equal, and any side has to be equal. So in this criteria, so if it is fulfilling these three criteria, then we can write that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. And what is the criteria that we have to write? RHS. Okay. So this is all about the criteria of congruency. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll get on with the exercise. Okay. Please write it down, all the things that I have shown you. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care and stay blessed.